The Bank of South Sudan and United Arab Emirates Central Bank agreed to work together on money printing and payments. The Bank of South Sudan has signed an agreement with the Central Bank of the United Arab Emirates (UAE) to work together in an important areas like printing banknotes safely, improving payment card system, and training bank workers. This deal is one of several agreements Vice President Benjamin Bolmel is signing during his official visit to the United Arab Emirates. He left South Sudan for the trip on Tuesday. The agreement was signed by Dr. Addis Ababa Uto, Governor of the Bank of South Sudan, and Saif Omeid from the UAE Central Bank. The signing was watched by Vice President Bolmel and Sheikh Shakbut bin a UAE Minister of State. Under this deal, the United Arab Emirates will help South Sudan print banknotes with stronger security features through its company Omlat. Another UAE company, Al Ittihad Payment, will help South Sudan create a national payment card system. This will happen in two steps. One, start using advanced system to process local card payments. Two, build system inside South Sudan so all card payment can be handled in the country. The agreement also includes sharing skill, giving technical help, and training South Sudanese banking staff through the Emirates Institute of Finance. Dr. Ruto said the cooperation will make the relationship between South Sudan and the United Arab Emirates stronger and help modernize banking services in South Sudan. Khalid Mohamed Balama, governor of the United Arab Emirates Central Bank, said the deal shows the UAE commitment to supporting South Sudan banking growth through sharing knowledge and providing technical support.